This is my daddy. He's working on his vacuum.
It's not my vacuum, it's Mommy's vacuum.
Oh, it's my mom's. And this is Cassie. She's playing with the track. And he got his gun. Let's see, is do that. Oh, what is it? Wait. Looks pretty cool, right?
Supposed to get hot.
And the gun is supposed to get hot, like on the
The
metal.
wire's gotta get hot, and then it'll pull the solder through.
And then we got all kinds of stuff here. There's pliers.
Hey, Connor, check this out.
Look at this. Does that look cool? He's working on the vacuum. My mom's vacuum. He's working on it. It's burnt. He's fixing it. Whoa, do you see the steam? Let's go out and smoke. Whoa, look at that. The gun's super hot. Wow, look at that.
See this?
See that?
Cassie, don't touch this.
Okay.
Okay, Connor, wait, one more step here.
Okay, last. Oh, it's breaking. The track broke a little. Probably after I'll fix it. Oh, that's a plug.
This is a heat gun.
Oh, it's a heat gun. Is it loud?
Come here.
Is it loud?
Look, Connor, now you put the heat shrink over top of the solder joint. Okay. This stuff's called heat shrink.
Daddy, this is broken.
Okay. See how it covers it?
Yep.
Okay. And your heat gun on. It gets hot really fast. Now watch this stuff. Go shrink it.
Oh, how's it going smaller? That's cool. He's making the thing go smaller with that gun. You see that? It's a big gun, hey? Whoa! I don't want it to make this shrink. It's really small, hey? No, you can't. Okay. Nice, eh? I don't want to block the camera. This is me, and this is Cassie. And this is the gun I'm playing with upstairs. And look, this is our big car. So he says A-U-D-I. This is 313. What else? 16? 17? What is that?
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.